Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by again today. For my new subscribers, you're welcome to my channel, and if you're yet to subscribe, please remember to subscribe after watching this video. Today I'll be showing you how to make this osoji, this delicious, yummy and sumptuous looking osoji. Though the main name for this is okwose, but a lot of us call it osoji. And here are the things I'll be using to prepare this. Over here is ehuru. I've already blended this. Ehuru is also known as African nutmeg, and I have 2 tablespoons here. I'm making use of some Cameroon pepper because I want this to be really hot. And I also have dry toasted or roasted chili pepper. I've already toasted this with my frying pan before blending it. I also use it to prepare abacha. Over here is 3 seasoning cubes. You can make use of salt instead of seasoning cube, or you adjust seasoning cube and add a little bit of salt. I have like 3 cups of groundnuts or peanuts over here. So guys, let's get right into preparing this. It doesn't take much time. We'll be using blender to blend. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up. I just add everything inside my blender and start blending. As you can see, please do not blend too much at a go. If you blend, you stop and then stir everything. I'm using spatula. I started with spatula though, to mix everything, push the ones up, down. Then after a while, I changed to my wooden spoon. I use wooden spoon to push it down as I'm blending. Though I'm not doing this so that it will get to the blade of the blender. No, I'm being so careful here because the blade can spoil or it might blend in the wooden spoon inside the okwose. So I just pushing it down. After about a minute, I will stop and allow the blender to rest. Then I continue again because I'm just blending large quantity. But if you're doing small quantity, yeah, it will not take too much time. Mine took a lot of time, at least about 10 minutes to blend this well. So after a while, everything has already mixed very well and it doesn't take too much strength to blend. So I just allow the blender to mix this well. You can add more pepper to yours if you want yours to be more peppery, but if you don't want it to be peppery, if you want to like make peanut butter, you can use sugar as well. And if you want it crunchy, you can leave it like this. You can use it even to eat bread, but I want mine to be like a paste, so I will blend again till I get this consistency. Then after that, I will add it into a glass jar, a clean glass jar, just like so. And after adding it, cover the lid and store it for up to 6 months. And here is how to enjoy this. You eat with garden egg, with cucumber, with bitter cola. You can also enjoy this with cola nuts. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find it helpful, please remember to share. Bye.